I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Action Flowlu. Give here an API key and company name. So please visit the Flowlu API key. Portal setting. Copy the company name. And paste it here. API setting. Create. Give here a meaningful name. Give all permission by checking the box. Save. Copy the API key. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Choose account type. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the Flowlu site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Flowlu site. Thanks for watching.